Hello everyone! So ayan guys, now I'm going to unbox this personal blender. Napalit na po last Hari Raya time guys. Wala lang din ako siya na unbox. Ako siyang i-kit. And yeah, this personal blender is my birthday gift for myself guys. Okay, as I grow older, our health is wealth manjud. So why? I wanted to drink some carrot juice, fruits and veg guys. Kanang pwede siya mag-blend para, you know, I can maintain a good health. Because when we are having good health, we are happy. Ano siya guys? Ako napalit. Thanks God down na nakapalit ko kay naka-timing man kog sale. Nilaging gipit guys. Uy, daghan tag estudyante. So why? Wala yun dayon ko ka palit ani bisag ganahan jud ko mo palit na gud. Ayan guys, this is my personal blender. Now I'm going to unbox. Here is the manual. Nakukuksan siya na. Asin yung this one guys. First time taon makaupot o blender ang kunyang kaluoy. Ani dyan basta pobre, but at least ato yung ma-appreciate kung unsa may atong mapalit sa atong hinaguan. This is now the blender base. And this is the blade assembly. And then the sport bottle, 600 ml. Wow, nice kayo kaya na siya. Speedprof drinking lid. Pwede siya kuan madana po sa gawas. Na siya. Ayan guys. Then ako rin siyang testingan guys. Ayan. Testingan later. So here guys, mag-testing na ta sa new blender. Alright, I'm going to put this. Ano akong pan guys. Cut ang oranges and cucumber. So ayan. Then, I'm going to on guys. Oh, this is the on. Done! Kuyawan ko guys. That's it. Pick it up. Yeah. And here we go. And then washing this one guys. Ano din siya. Testing pa man gamay ra akong di. Ayan guys. Oh. Job well done. Thank you everyone for watching.